is a project between Mission Gallery and the Chinese in Wales Association and the Ethnic Minority and Youth Support Team based here in Swansea. The project addresses barriers that community members may face when coming into cultural organisations, be that cultural venues themselves being inaccessible, but financial constraints. So the project itself kind of wanted to bridge that gap by working closely as a partnership. The work you see around me is outcomes of both on-site and off-site workshops that we did with these community groups. Eyst, we were off-site and we worked in their drop-in centre, the Chinese in Wales Association. They came here and it was a really great opportunity to work with professional artists and see the different skills and mediums that they can try, and lots of what they've produced is things that they've tried their hands at for the first time. So I think the outcomes here are a real testament to the joy and creativity that is here in Swansea. We really feel that all members who participated in the project should be really proud of everything they've achieved, and we hope that this opens the door for future participation with cultural venues, and we look forward to welcoming them through our doors again in the future.
So I'm a support worker. I support people seeking asylum and refugees from Swansea and a little bit outside Swansea as well. So anything to do with education, health, access to solicitors, liaising with the Home Office. So it's very varied. We help families, we help single people, and also a lot of young people, unaccompanied minors who came without their families under the age of 18 and live outside of Swansea, and they come to see us. This is one of the things that we've been trying to do more and more, is to give them a bit of well-being, a place where they are safe, where they can come and meet up other people. So when we started working with you, it was mostly for the families, but it was to give them that space where they could meet up with other people who come from similar background, different languages, different religion maybe, but similar background in terms of the asylum process. No stress, no worry, no talking about Home Office or immigration or anything like that. Just relax and spend an hour not thinking about anything. I think the connection was very important because we did different activities, so they would meet time and again and make connections, make friends, and it helps them to have that sense of belonging to the community here, you know. Well-being definitely, because they kept on coming back. Yes. So they obviously were happy, and some of them would bring friends. So yes, definitely, I think it has a really positive impact. That's been amazing because we spend so much time helping others and supporting others, and then having that little time for us, that's amazing. That's amazing. And Eyst is a very supportive organization, a lot about well-being and about well-being of staff. So the fact that they've given us that time as well for us, oh no, it's been amazing. It's been so lovely. You are so organized, you've brought in loads of staff, everything was there, everything was on time. I think the best thing about you is your generosity. Not everybody is able to speak to people from other parts of the world and be welcoming and be understanding and be patient, but you've got that. You've been so good with all the people, all the participants who came.
I think for us, you know, as a gallery, it's been really eye-opening to work with you, because I think the important thing about working with different community groups and charities is that you guys are the experts and you know and love your participants, and so it's kind of like taking the lead from you guys in that sort of respect. We've really valued you holding that space for us as well.
Oh, thank you. It's been really
so yeah, thank you, Catherine.
Oh, thank you.
We've loved working with you, and yeah, we really would love to do something again, and yeah, thank you for your time as well.
Anytime. Oh, it would be lovely. Thank you.
Brilliant.